Hey y'all, it's Raven and I am back with the removal of these nails, honey. So I've had them on for about 2 weeks. As you can see, it's not much movement going on, but can you believe the disrespect, honey? So it's time to take these off. Okay. And I'm getting a little green spot, so it's really time to take them off. I'm going to show you the removal process. This glue did come with a remover. Just a reminder, this is the semi-solid glue that I tried out a few weeks ago. I'm going to be using the remover that the semi-solid glue came with, plus this little tool that came with my Beetles nail glue remover. So this is going to help me lift up the edges of these nails just a touch. Okay, and then we'll apply this. When I tell you this glue has been my best friend, I am obsessed with it. Okay, you can watch my full review and the application process here, and I'll be sure to link the remover and this little Beetles remover as well, which I've also reviewed on my channel, in the description box below. Let's get into this removal. Getting up close and personal, time to take these nails off. As you can see, there's already some lifting by the cuticle, but it's very slight, honey. So we're gonna go around the edges. Oop. Now it's time for the remover. This stuff is watery, honey. It is getting everywhere. 0 out of 10 recommend the application of this remover. Y'all, this has been a process, like a full-on process. This remover, do not recommend, okay? So what I did was I used that on my left hand, and when I say it was a mess, okay, only like one nail came off with like any kind of quickness or ease, and I just felt like too much was coming out of the tube. I had no control really about like how much came out because it's so liquidy, so watery. So it was just like all coming out. As soon as you tip that thing over, it all comes out. And it started to melt my nails. Okay. My hand has glue all over it. Okay. Because it's melting the glue. Then the glue is re-drying on my hands. When I tell you 0 out of 10 recommend this remover, I love the glue down though. So I did on my right hand use my Beetles nail glue remover, and I will say it worked. I think also there's just not that much in here because it is so liquidy. I feel like I used most of it trying to remove the glue on this hand and would not have the same amount to remove for this hand. That's another reason why I use the Beetles. But yeah, it's just, this is not enough for the amount of glue that you have. You know, like you may get 1 or 2 uses out of this versus the glue you'll have for even more than 10 uses. I'm going to try a few more removers and see what really works, what comes out with quickness, does not destroy my nails, honey. This one though, ain't it? There is another semi-solid glue that I want to try, and the remover that comes with it has like a little click applicator, so it can be like injected right into the nail, so that it can go in between the nail and your nail bed really easily. I'm sorry for those that were waiting for the update with the remover, because this is the update. I'm gonna give my fingernails a little break and probably just put some like strengthener, try to get them up okay, before I put on the next set. There's that. I will link the glue. It is a set, so I will link the glue in the remover, and I'll make sure to link the nails that I was wearing. They are just some cheap press-on nails from Temu, so you're definitely going to need to add a top coat onto those. But since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video, those pics specifically for you.